Yung isa. Walang ibang bola eh.
Nairi. Mercado.
First position of Alpha Queen. Steal by Pareño. Steal again. Nice pass outside.
Pido.
40 to shoot.
Number 1, Pido.
10. Black by Makalalad. To Chanteco. Let it fly, Kelvin. Yes! 3-point shot. Against by Kelvin. First basket, first shot on the rock. Now 3 against 0. Pido.
Number 10.
Nice pass outside. Fake, drive. Nice start. Flat. Too strong. Rebound again. Number 10 to shoot. Short. Yes. Great blue. The great guy. 2-3. 1 point lead now on rock.
23. Mercado.
Nice coming from shot from oh, back-to-back shot coming from Kelvin. 6-2. 4 point lead now on rock. Wow! Bigagan Mercado. 5-6. Now wala ball game. 6-1. 1 point lead on rock. Chantenko. Makalalad. Pass downside to Pareño. Open jump too strong. Rebound on Mercado. Mercado setting a play for. Back to Mercado.
Wala man diris lista.
Mercado get fake. Mercado steal by Pareño. Jump ball. Rock ball. Same ball. Rock ball. Rock. White ball. White. Position arrow. Rock ball. Our score 5 against 6. 1 point lead on rock. Now Chantenko. Bang! 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 On number 13.
Number 13.
Air ball. Same ball. Same ball.
13. Wala man.
Tira lang. Depensa.
Rebound on Makalalad. 7 minutes. Now Pareño. Stop up to Kelvin. Whoa! What a shot from Kelvin. 11-5. 6 point lead now on rock. Right. Coast to coast. Too strong. Rebound again by Kelvin. Chantenko. To Pareño. Stop. Straight. Back to Kelvin. Chantenko. Back to Kelvin. Kelvin skate. Kelvin. Yes. Oh. Kelvin timeout. Oh, normal Queen or score. 5 against 40.
Pido.
6 minutes and 40 seconds first quarter. Gutierrez. Black by Makalalad. 16 to shoot. 16. He's still on Chantenko. Chantenko to Parao. Kelvin, let that flag out. 16 to 5. Now 11 point lead on rock. Now Gutierrez.
Number. Mercado.
Out the ball. First turnover on the white shirts on rock. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. On our first quarter, first game. Rock against the Queen. No! Too strong. Turnover. Back to one turnover on the Queen. Chantenko. Oh, Makalalad. 18 to 5. Now 13 point lead on rock. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Gutierrez. Same ball. It's all rock. Game 18-55.
Dalawang team yun na buo eh.
Mercado. 40 to shoot. Gutierrez. First attempt, first shot. Too strong. Rebound on. Nabigay. Again, in and out. Mercado. Fake. Mercado. Wala game mo ba Mercado? Naparanyo.
Good! Set mo.
Jesus. Back to Chantengo. On the point guard Chantengo. 40 to shoot. Jesus. Fake. Calve Gutierrez. 10 to shoot. Chantengo. They still. Again. 5 to shoot. Rebound agad Makalalan. Oh, in and out. Rebound on number 3. Wow.
Number 5, Donaire.
Foul on Jesus.
Donaire.
First on Jesus. First team foul on Rock. 4 minutes. And 15 seconds. 80-7.
Support na tayo dalawa. Ito susunod ng court. Ito ang court. Kaligatan. Indoor. Kaya sa kano sa mga presidente, kaya busy.
9-18.
Kano sa napabre ng Kalidiya, natunggo dito.
Chantengo. Jesus. Back to Chantengo. Kelgen. Puro jump. In and out. Di ba na Makalalad? Oh! Makalalad! 20-9. Back to 11-point lead on Rock. Gutierrez. Now setting a play. Again. Too strong. Rebound on Miguel. Pow! Foul on number 26 on Let It Fly. Kelgen. Second team foul on Rock. First on Kelgen. 2 free throw shots.
Mercado si Di Guzman.
One more from Di Guzman. Again, in and out. Mercado. Block. Foul. Foul on Makalalad. Third team foul. Rock. First on Makalalad. This is our first game, first match on Inter-Emirates. Rock against Omar Crane. Nice shot from Mercado. 10-20. Back to 10-point lead on Rock. It's been 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Remaining on first quarter. To start from Mercado. 20-11. 9-point lead now on Rock. Chantengo. To Makalalad. Back to Chantengo. Kelgen. 40 to shoot. 10. Jesus. Chantengo. 5. Airball. Rebound on Mercado. Now Gutierrez. It's 3 on 4. Gutierrez now. Setting a play. Drive. Nice pass outside. Hook shot. Maybe hook short. Rebound again on Apagway. Nice move. Fake. Out. Robbery violation on Apagway. Now 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 20-11, 9-point lead on Rock. Now Jesus setting a play. Jesus. To Chantengo. 40 to shoot. Kelgen back to Jesus. Attempt. Too strong. Rebound on McQueen. Now 1-1. Orpia. Kelgen again, Steve. Kelgen, let it fly. Steer 1. Kelgen na paranyo to Chantengo! What a great move from Chantengo. 22-11. Back to 11-point lead on Rock. Now Gutierrez. Yo move too strong. Jesus all alone. Chantengo to Paranyo. And selfish pass to Paranyo to Chantengo. 23-24 against 11. 13-point lead now on Rock. 1 minute and 50 seconds. It's all Rock ball game. 13-point lead now on Rock. 1 minute and 40. Mercado. Orpia. Stop. Tapay Mangkalalad. To Chantenko. Keljam, let it fly. Keljam, 26 against 11. Ano mo, 12 minutes and 20. It's a 9-0 run coming from Rock. Gutierrez. 40 to shoot. Bang, 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 bang. On Gutierrez. 26-14. Jesus, pump. Too strong. 1 minute. Still again Jesus. To Chantenko to Parreño. 40 to shoot. Jesus. Escape drive. Jesus. 28 to 14. Back to 14-14. Still again ng Parreño to Chantenko left-handed Chantenko. 30-14. 16-point lead now on Rock. Now Gutierrez. Aspalsay. Short again. Rebound tapay Mangkalalad. Mangkalalad to Jesus. 20 seconds. Chantenko sa set. Mangkalalad. Yes or Mangkalalad. 32 to 14. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Wow. 3 seconds. 3. It's all Rock ball game. 32 to 14. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. It's 32-14. Favor of Rock. 3 seconds. 3. And ang first quarter on score.
Reklamo kayo tapos players hindi pa rin na pasaway.
Second quarter. Now, Kabagang in the ball game.
Tira! Huwag ka lang isip, tira lang ha! Challenge yan!
Joseph, 14 to shoot. Alcia. First turnover up of Alcuin. It's been 32 to 14. Favor of Rock. Donaire. Aparador. Back-to-back turnover of both teams. Still 32 to 14. 18-point lead against Rock.
Tiratal! Bangga!
Third ball. Ibano ang Aparador the door.
Walang uno sila! Rex!
Donere. Pass outside. Rebound now.
Kalimutan mo kayo!
Guzman. It's 4-on-2. Joseph. Wow. Easy shot coming from Joseph. Now 32-16. 16-point lead on Rock. Mirocho. Fake. Castillo escape. Short. Rebound on Overquay. To Joseph. Now Kabakang. Basic Kabakang. Di Guzman. Now setting a play. Looking for Joseph. In and out. Mirocho. Steal again by Di Guzman. Now it's 3-on-3. Di Guzman. Sa isip. Di Guzman. Too strong for that guy. Now Tador Aparador. Tador, setting a play to Castillo. First basket, first shot, in and out. Tador again. Foul! Foul on number 19 of Alcuin. Mirales. First on Mirales. First team foul of Alcuin. Tador Aparador. 8 minutes. It's 32-16. 16-point lead on Rock. Short. Again on the door. 14 to shoot. Pirocho. Dunere. 10 to shoot. Nice pass. Tador Aparador. Short. Aparador again. Black. Castillo. Nice steal on Amarque. It's 2-1. Stop pumps. Second shot. Short again. Third attempt. Short again. Kabangang. Kabangang again. Kabangang. Kabangang again. Third. Kabangang. First attempt. Attempt to Joseph Basic Joseph. Now 18 to 32. Back to 16. 14 point lead now. Rock. 7 minutes and 32 seconds. Francisco. Same ball, same.
Sino sa loob? Ang
Mirali.
yung isa pa. Pasti pag-asa. Guzman.
Oh, what a play! Out and out! Rebound all again on Pirocho. Too strong. Rebound by Mirales. Looking for the basics, Joseph. Kabakang side step. No foul, same ball. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 18 to shoot. 18.
Argonza.
Wow! Short by Mirales. Now Donaire. Donaire. Open job. Donaire in and out. Ibaragal by Donaire. Turnover. On rock. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Inbounding Argonza to the Guzman. Now 14 point in Amarque. Now the Guzman setting a play. Carried by Donaire. Guzman pump. Pull out jumper. The Guzman in and out. Iban on Pirocho. Wow! Turnover again on Pirocho. It's 6 minutes. It's all rock ball. 32-18. Now Kabakan. Basic Joseph. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! All the Basic Joseph! 21 to 32. 11 point lead now on rock. Francisco, Pirocho, skate, stop up, side set. Intercept again on the Basic Joseph. 1-1. Time out. Oh!
Cesar, healthy living. Cesar, healthy living.
Pirocho, Donaire, first trees, in out, Ipanon Kabakang. Kabakang. To the point guard. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes. Now 11 point lead on rock, 31 against 32 against 21. Now the Guzman.
Kaisano Mandela.
Basic Joseph. Airball. Tador Aparador. Baseball bat. Baseball pass. Oh! Francisco! 33 to 21 now. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. On our second quarter, the Guzman. Pass to Argonza. Kabakang. Wow! Again in and out by Kabakang. Tador Aparador. Tador Aparador. Garnibal Mireles. Whoa! Aparador the door! 36 to 21. Back to 15 point lead on rock. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Remaining time on our second quarter. The Guzman is today. Looking for Basic Joseph. Kabakang. To Mirales. Open jump. Again in and out. Ibanondador Aparador. To Pirocha. Pirocha left-handed short. The balon. The Guzman. Now it's 4 on 2. Guzman, the Guzman, let it play the Guzman! Jordi ball again on the door of Parador. Tador to Francisco. Pass to Pirocha. Pirocha, stop up to Naire, the veteran Donaire. Now to Argonza. Argonza now, it's 3 on 2. Argonza, let it play! Argonza! 3 minutes and 30. Back-to-back net shot coming for both teams. 36 against 21. Still 15-point lead on Rock. It's been 3 minutes and 31 seconds. On second quarter, 15-point lead on Rock. Argonza.
Kaitan.
To Di Guzman. Again, short again Di Guzman. Dador Aparador. Dador. Wow, blocked by Di Guzman. Short. Tap again. Vinales. Looking for. Out. On arcade ball. 3 minutes.
Kapatid number 9.
G yun, G.
Ha?
G. Gayat.
Gian, no?
Gayatano.
Gian Tano. Gian Tano.
Whoa! Argonza. 23. Against the 36.
Ah, Jungkon. Yitan.
Number 9.
Ada surat?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Daghan kay number 9 din eh.
Francisco. Nice pass. Big. Oh! Black by Argonza. Oh, basic Joseph. Now 25 to 36. Back to 11-point lead on Rock. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Remaining time first, our second goal, Perocha. Too strong. Mireles. Tapa Argonza. Now Kabakang. It's 2-2. Kabakang. Eurostep. Kabakang. 27-36. Now 9-point lead on the Rock. It's 2 minutes, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Gador Aparador. Dinere. 40 to shoot. Aparador. First attempt to throw. Di ba ng Perocha? Pass to Castillo fake. Castillo. 40 to shoot. Steal. 10 to shoot. Castillo. Long 2. Short. Tapay. Francisco. 40 to shoot. Black again. May Kabangan. 10 to shoot. Short. Kabangan. To Joseph. It's 3-1 to Jesus. Now 29 to 36.
Gian Tano.
Yitan mo?
Oh, 38 to 29.
Yitan. Hindi dito. Ano? English mo.
Gian Tano.
Now Giantano. To Argonza. Back to Giantano. Kabakang, Garde Castillo. Steve Tapay Francisco. 50 seconds. Dador Aparador. Steal by Giantano. It's 3-on-4, 4-on-3. Giantano. Tapay Argonza. Argonza. Short again. Ni Baron Francisco. To Castillo. Basket down and 1 against Castillo. Foul on 19. Mirales, 32 seconds. 40 to 29. It's been Rock all the ball game. Basket timeout, Erep. Basket timeout.
Dalawa na si...
Second personal foul on Mirales. Timeout! Oh, no.
Wala mo kuha, anak, na kameraman. Nagatubang kamera.
32 seconds.
Sila ka daw kahapon.
Giantano.
Gilubong
Joseph.
bata.
40 to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. Mireles. Short. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ito, huli na. 10 seconds, Abol!
5 seconds. Bang! Oh, Castillo! And a person.
Sobra. 12 lang sila, 12. 12. 5 minutes, sir. Pwede na mag-sub. Yung nakalaro na.
Chantenko. Killed him. Short.
Chiro Sanchez.
Dilmingus.
Now Alcala. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Wow! Shoot again on Chantenko now. Chantenko. Chantenko turnover again on number 3.
Number 5. Abera.
Number 4, Dilmingus.
Walang stop triple.
Pantera, number 2.
Oh! Chantenko. 1 and 1 to Alcantara. Foul. Foul all Alcantara. Alcala. First one Alcala. First team foul on Malquay. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Let it fly, Keljim. Short. Makalalan, pang to Keljim. 40 to shoot. Bongo. Too strong. Rebound on Pareño.
Balik lang.
Oh, Dilmingus.
Now let it fly. Steal. On Joport. Baseball bat. Nice pass. First basket again. Short. It's back-to-back short coming from Omalquay. Steelers score 29 to 44. 8 minutes.
Number 13, Viera.
Black again. 10 to shoot. 10. A steal by Joport. Joport now. Joport. Steal again out. Keljim. Let it fly. Let it fly, Keljim. Let it fly. Pass outside. Chantenko pick. In and out. Chantenko again. Dilingues. Chantenko. 40 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 04. On Dominguez. Second team foul on Malquay. First on Dominguez. 7:30 seconds. 7 minutes and 30. Makalalan. Foul. Foul on number 23 on Pareño. First on Pareño. First team foul, Rock.
Hindi talaga sa budget. Pati kita nang huwag kailan.
7 minutes.
Hindi, makatulog na makatulog.
And 18 seconds. Pido. Stop by Pido to Keljim. Keljim now. Guarded by Dominguez. Turnover on Rock. Now Juport. Abiera, fake. Pido. Shot again. Top by Abiera. 6 minutes and 50. (44 to 29). 15-point lead on Rock. Pareño. Bonga. Now it's 2-2. Nice take. Oh, alas yata po by. Now 44 to 31.
Tapos lang yun.
Short. Time out on Omalquay.
Number 11. Wala. Now Dominguez. Juport. Abiera.
Too strong. Rebound on Chantenko. To Kelvin. Back to Bonga. Kelvin. Short. Pareño. Working to shoot. Whoa! Let it fly! Kill them! 48 to 31. Nice move! Stop! At Pino. Whoa! Pino! 33 to 48. Still 15 point in the rock. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Now Chantenko.
Ilalim!
Makalalad. Too strong. Now Juport.
Sasampalin kita eh. Bigay na! Mas libo mga friend! Patay yan! Sige! Malayo check! Sige!
Pag basket, time out.
Sab. Foul.
Who's correct? Foul on Alcala. 30 foul of Alcuin. First against Alcala. 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Second personal foul on Alcala. Second on Alcala. 48 to 33. It's all rock game. 49 now to 33. 4 minutes and 26 seconds. 50 against 233. To 33. 18 point lead now against Rock. Now Diliges.
May tubig dito oh! Magkano tubig?
Ito.
Bas!
3-5.
Again, in and out. Pow!
May tubig dito, 3-5.
Foul on number 27. On the door, Aparador. Second team foul on Rock. First on the door, Aparador.
Malamig, lasang Alfonso Light.
4 minutes, 4 minutes.
Selfie ako ha. Sasabihin nyo man. Oh, yan oh. Oh. Ito pa.
Ador, Aparador. Berrocha. Bonga. Jesus. Castillo. 10 to shoot, 10. Too strong. Rebound agad Castillo. Mercado. Turnover again. Back-to-back turnover of Alcuin. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
May laro kayo?
Jesus, 10 to shoot. Block by Mercado. Oh! Discrimination pass coming from Mercado to Delengues. It's 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 51 to 31. Foul! Osmar. Foul on Alcala. Warning for penalty of Alcuin. Turn. on Alcala. Bonga. Bang! 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 On Bonga. 54 to 33. Rodriguez. Nice defense against Bonga. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. He's 14 to shoot. Whoa, Jesus! 56 to 33. Mercado, fake, jump, yes on Mercado. 35 to 56, back to 21 point in the rock. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Nice pass!
Wow! Black! By Mercado, substitution wraps up. 14 seconds to shoot, 14, substitution. They watch out, Dunay rin. 1 minute and 31 seconds. Bang, 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 bang on Bonga. 59 to 35, back to 24 point in a rock. Yes, easy shot. 37 to 59. Back to 22 point in the rock. Nice steal by Jobert. Still again on Jesus. 8-second variation, 8-second variation, 54 seconds. Time out. Oh. Rodriguez. 30 seconds. Now Dunere. Off Altrain ball, off Altrain. 29 seconds, 29. Castillo. 15 seconds. All on number 11. On Luntok. Penalty. First personal foul number 11 Luntok.
Uminom na sa ko.
Lord? Ako yung inom. Hindi na kami inom.
Tagaan yan ang tubig. Limo mang katubig.
Foul. Foul on Castillo. 13 foul on Rock. 15 seconds.
Castillo buhangin! Tira! Iris! Bibilis tayo! Tayo magkakabul ha! Iris!
10.
Uy! Wala! Yan! Yan!
Rock ball, rock.
Apat na araw, apat na ko. Oh, diretso!
Mapagod na yung mga player. Diretso ka pa.
Hindi ka pa pagod eh. Hustle tayo ha! Tira! Uy! Diretso!
Argocha. Short. Yes, on Kabagan.
They give you 1-4, not 1-3, so that's it. 1-4, 1-4.
Yes, on Kevin.
1-4, the game. Huh? No, no, I need the 100 because I will the referee. I will take 500 now. I will take 100, huh? Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
Bang! Bang, bang! 43 to 62. Now 19 points in a rock. On Perocha. Perocha, galing Pekabakam. 9 minutes. Castillo, 1-1. Castillo pay Castillo. To throw the ball on Joseph. Now it's for the still on Santiago. Now Dunere. Stop up. Too strong. Short. Still again. Oh, turnover. It's 8 minutes and 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14. It's 62 to 43. 19 points in the rock. Chantango. Side step. Euro step. Chantango. 64 against 243. Back to 21 points in the rock. Now Rodriguez.
Wala tayo tatakbo. Sabay tayo tatakbo.
Gusto mo yan, Perocha. It's 3-3. Perocha to Chanteco, pay. Yeah, still by Joseph. Kapakang. Same ball. Substitution sub. Substitution Donner out. Jesus. Back to the ball game. Oh, white ball, white. It's rock ball, rock. 8 minutes. Now Belgium. Castillo. Calepido. Too strong. Argonza now. Argonza to Dominguez. Second line. 14 to shoot. 14. 14 to shoot. Inbounding Giantano. Argonza.
Ilan pa ba na?
Pirecho. Jesus. 1-1 against Argonza. Jesus. Perocha. 14 to shoot. Castillo. Foul.
Okay na.
Foul on Castillo per up. First team foul on Rock.
Please.
Offensive foul against Castillo. Back-to-back turnover of Queen. 64 against 243. Now Chanteco. 7 minutes. Perocha. Still Kabakang. Kabakang, where are you? Kabakang. 45 to 69. Still Kabakang. Fake again. Fake the fake. Kabakang back to Marcial. Kabakang. 47 to 64. 17 point lead now by Rock. Now kills him. Calvin Argonza. Castillo. Oh, yun na, di ba yan? Tignan niya. Castillo 3. Expas Argonza. Time out on Rock. 60